Hey guys, cook some curry chicken back with me. So I put 1 pack of Maggi chicken season. Yes guys. Then we put 1 Maggi all-purpose. Put in my curry. That's the season to the curry too. And also burnt. Put in my scallion, pepper, and my garlic. You know, long me no burn out fat in a pot, guys, and make oil to cook down the chicken back. That me I do today. All who don't know about it, I'm go and watch and I go see how you go. Yes, all of the people them don't know nothing about it. You just drop them in a pot like that, man. Then I go just fry out and make them one oil. See the chicken battery and the other part. Yeah. See this, make it one oil. Yeah, so then can come out now. And I burn my curry. Yes guys, I'm take out my back them. See there, the top of curry. Yeah. Normally all time people always wait until when you burn out. Like the back, the chicken back, some of them wait till it's fried because they want it to eat. But nobody wait for that. As long as the oil make me take it out. Yeah. Burn out my curry. So good girl, ready to put in our meat then. Yeah, you heard that going in? So it's supposed to go in. You see, I make all of that. That fish one is set. And I must stop me on the chicken body. So pure oil going on the body. And I can see it's a good girl. Curry well burnt. Pure oil on yam when you know the chicken body. Now there now, now cover this. Make it go and cook little. Then we add a little bit of water when necessary, make it one gravy. Then watch pan curry she look there. People, look on that. And good girl not put in no water in there yet. That's so curry if spring you own water. Yeah. You're supposed to throw water in a curry. Just so. Meat supposed to cook and spring their own water. See there now people. Good girl curry cooking up. And season her the rest of the season. Now no fresh water not going out again. Spring your own water. This name steam. So meat steam out. The season water not going there all now. So I'm going to add in my carrot and onion and Irish and the rest of the garlic and everything. Yeah. Put them in like this. Guys, last but not least, don't forget to add your ketchup. Yep. No man. It's curry chicken bakshi. Okay. Yeah. Well, nice. Yeah. So I don't want some of my food. I want my stomach is even sick. See, a good girl prepare for no pepper there. The stomach sick because pot ready. See there. Everything cook, carrot cook, everything. Irish, everything. Make it go down for more. Then I lock it off. Watch rice are steam down over here, so I want to know about plastic bag. I don't have time for the live from pot. I watch pot right through. But I just turn down stove and put on plastic bag. On rice, yeah, watch steam. Oh God. Yeah. Watch shelly rice. What you put your rice on? See the people, see the food there. Yeah, with the pear on the side.